Alright, so let's figure out why the heat not coming on. Okay, so that's your hot leg, that's your neutral. That's going to the blower motor. Okay. Let's see. Alright, let's see. First, gotta have incoming power. Put my safety glasses on. Alright, let's go to work. Let's go to work. This is alright, so we go from here to ground. I have 280, so if I go from here to here, got my 280 to here. Alright, so we got voltage. Blower motor. Let's go into the blower motor. First off, let's see, is the blower motor on? Alright, it seems to be because of the amps. Blower motor should be running. Alright, next, let's go check. Voltage. Make sure the fan improvement switch is actually closing. Alright, so or the airflow switch. I think that's what this is. Alright, so if we're going to we got 26 volts right there. 26 volts right there. Alright, that's closed. Okay, so this energizes. That should energize. Let's see if I can get a little more light. Alright, back to it. So it's this energized. 25. That's the common. That's energized. Yep, so that's your incoming. That's your legion. That's going. That's your common side. Then it's going up in there. So we're gonna check the ground. I don't want to get shot. One side of the limit switch. And then let's see if I can get that light. Alright, so let's see good. What about like that? I should get my other meter. I'm gonna do that. Let me get my other meter. I already got the amps. Let me get my other meter. All right. Now, let's see. Sequence of operation. What's causing it not to come? All right. So back to it. That's the incoming side to the limit switch again. That's the leading side. So on the incoming side, what we got? $25 volts. Leading side, I got 25 volts, and I'm gonna go directly across it. It should be closed, showing 0 volts. Zero volts. All right. Next, it leaves, comes directly into this contactor. So, do I have 25 volts sitting here? Got 25 volts on that side. That's the hot leg. And the other side is the common. Hold up. Between here. That's colder. Alright, next. Okay, so we got the voltage to pull in the contactor, but we don't have anything on line side. See, I had 277 there. So you can see the ground 288, but we go to the lines. One side, the contact, the line side, nothing. Nothing on that side neither. Well, let's double check that. Yeah, nothing. So, this blue wire right here, where that black wire is fed from that blue wire. Blue wire. I wonder if that blue wire got 277 on it. Yep. Alright, so that's 280 right there. Alright, so that's the problem right there. What is that? Thermal disc. Press to reset. Alright, so we're gonna found the problem. So now what I'm gonna heat strips currently. I'm gonna take my better. I lay that there. I'm gonna crush this in and to reset it. I guess you can't reset it. I'm gonna shut it off. I ain't pulling no amps. I'm gonna see if I can reset that. I'm gonna kill the power. Check that. Alright. How does this thing work? Automated think messages. Is it reset? Let's see. Push to reset. Oh, there it goes. Alright. So it is going in. And now that I push that in, I should have continuity going across that, and that should energize the heat scripts. Verifying got the power before I put the meter on. We did. Got power on that side, nothing on this side. Alright, double check. We should have power here. Got power there. I mean, we ain't got no power there. We ain't got no power there, so it was open, not sending power. Power was coming in on the. So had incoming voltage here going into the blue wire, but the thermal was open, so it wasn't allowing power to come out to send power to the incoming side of the contactor. But I came from the beginning. I started at we started right here at our first I verified I had fan was on, proven incoming. It leaves, comes into here. That's your limit switch. Limit switch comes out, drops over here to one side. That was your 24 volt side, and this is my common. I had 24 volts on my contactor, but I never had power here, so I had voltage on that blue wire incoming, but I never had it on the leaving side. So I found this thermal reset, so I just reset that, and I'm gonna turn power back on, and the heat script should energize, and I'm about to show you. Alright, we're gonna put amp meter, straighten the wire out a little bit, so I can show you. I'm gonna energize. I'm gonna just on my heat script first to be sure that they good, by the way. Heat script is good. Oh, I did that wrong. I'm supposed to hear. Good. Yeah, the heat script's good, so I'm about to turn the power back on. Get my amp drawn. Stand down while I'm doing this. It's probably gonna be some sort of delay. So this has to modulate when you kill power, the actuator. And then once that settles, it should energize the contactor coil for heat, and the fan and all that should be running. So I probably don't have. Yep. It might be on, but it might not be quite yet. Let's see. Black. Yeah, see the fan not on yet. It's waiting for that to finish, and then it should. Alright, the fan on. That should energize, and the heat should come on in a second. Did the fan come on? Fan not on quite yet. Pulling amps now. The heat is working, but something caused that thermal to trip, so I gotta figure that out. Check out the fan. Make sure the evaporator coil ain't dirty, the filter and all that. But yeah, I can smell them burning off. But that was my troubleshooting. Decided I'm gonna change the contactor, because if you look at it, it's then pitted from short cycling so much, and that's probably because airflow at some point, and that could cause voltage drop and possibly the heaters to overamp and trip out the thermal overload disc. So I'm about to change this. If I have one, well, I'm gonna might go pick one up. Check this. Change the contactor. Of course, we got voltage now. Kill it. Kill that. I'm good. I got my voltage. Get rid of 0, ground, 0. Of course, check 1, 0, 0. Incoming side, we have 288. Of course, nothing in neutral. Alright, let's do this. This is the new one. secured. So now, right that room. Right on. That back on. This is the incoming side. Connection. Take this off. That will be our leading side. This contactor is pretty warm too. Alright. Back in place. New contactor. Verified. This the incoming side. This the leading side. Alright. Turn power back on. We should be good. I have installed the new contactor. Pulling 25 amps. And we are good to go.